A section of a historic building at 32 King Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine collapsed this morning, blocking a section of the roadway. A resident of neighboring Rivoli, who requested anonymity, detailed what he heard sometime before 5 o'clock. The Rivoli resident expressed concern about the disaster that could have occurred had someone been passing at the time.
A long time them do some about them building still, because it's a natural hazard. You see me, because for the time where it drop, if it did drop like in a them time and after 7, I would appear things out, accident and all of these things.
King Street, a section of Rivoli and Emancipation Square, where the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation building and the Spanish Town Courthouse are located, are without electricity. A team from the Jamaica National Heritage Trust cleared the rubble and is assessing the damage.
For this building in particular, right now we need to put in place some mitigation for the incident that occurred. Before this happened, we were actually taking action to try and have it repaired. Unfortunately, the rains that came has taken a bit out of it, and so it's collapsed under its own weight.